Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got the first official mod coming in for the vet. I guess lights don't count in some people's eyes, but we got the first official mod. We're getting a wrap today. You guys will see the official color either on this video or next video. We'll find out. As always, Z mode. I have my beautiful girlfriend flexing in the flex, boy. We got a long drive. We were supposed to be there at 9, but estimations look at 9:30. Let's see if the vet can change that, right? Sheesh. Windows up, side to side. Windows up, side to side. It just hit me right now. We ain't going anywhere without some gas. I have plenty of gas, but we got to get the flex some gas.
Turn left to merge onto.
I am either mentally incompetent or it's broken. Now both are liable options. She is a thirsty girl. Satterfield, let's get it going. Hey, views on views. Those mountains are engulfed in clouds right now, so hopefully we get some snow coming soon. I believe 240, 280. Yes, just because I drive a mediocre supercar does not mean I don't love all cars. I will be getting to that soon. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but LA to me has just got the views. What the f is that thing? We are officially in the big city, boys. We've officially made it out here. Let's see if we can spot our building. And there she is, boys. Car wraps. I believe it's called ADI. Yeah. I really don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not going to make myself sound stupid. We made it out here in one piece. Now we got to go meet Chris, the man. We made it to the man, Chris, and here he is. Thank you, boss. Good to meet you finally. This is where we're getting our 5-star service with our 5-star wrap.
Oh, 6-star.
Nice. What do we got right here?
Here's another thing. This has a color change. Some military green. Right now they're probably tearing down for the Rose Bowl.
For the what?
The Rose Bowl.
Oh,
We
okay.
did all the graphics.
You said you do what on this one?
We can do a foam board. We can do regular print.
Oh, okay.
So stuff like this is the lamination room upstairs with the printers.
This is a real big office compared to what I was thinking. Going on over
We do all
here.
this here. We do the foam board.
Oh, that's cool, bro.
We did this for Power 106. This is our graphic.
You said for Power 106 you did that for?
And
Oh,
they were thrown
cool.
away, so we kept it, put it up.
You guys hear it out here at ADI? My man Chris will get you right. Is it ADI or is it Car Wraps?
In carwraps.com.
Okay.
So ADI is the large format printing part.
So this is the colored PPF?
Yes, it's
it's
like
nice
twice
though.
the price, but it's really nice. This is
So what is a regular PPF going for?
maybe like 70.
So if you get colored PPF, what are you looking at?
That's 7,000.
And a regular PPF?
Well, it's the
Oh, almost.
but they're both the
Oh,
same.
okay, almost. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I should have probably went with that. It's stronger and lasts longer, right? Okay, next time we'll keep it in mind then.
You keep it in mind.
All right, pulling into the right location so we can leave baby over here at the 6-star service at ADI with Chris. She's definitely getting the 6-star service back here already.
So we remove the emblems and we'll put them back on. This will stay the same. If there's an issue, I'll let you know if you have to order another set. But it
Okay.
shouldn't be. This is really not. That'll just go back on as is. That probably won't be wrapped.
Okay.
Just like the letters won't be wrapped because it's impossible.
Yeah,
This will do with all the black trim. So whatever's blue is going to be the auto black.
Oh, you weren't supposed to say the color on the video. It's all right, I'll beep it out. I'll beep it out. Huh?
This part can't be wrapped.
It can't. Oh, the bottom five.
No, because it's that. is plastic. You get the black flat, and make it look beautiful. Most people are going to be ready at the beginning of next week.
I heard too is that there's other shops they just put it on the car. They don't take off the parts. You said the parts on this one have to come off, right?
Not everything. So
Yeah, I don't fully know the process to it, but
I don't either.
oh, oh, we're learning together here.
No, I don't know exactly. It depends on our installers and Jimmy, who's an auto body guy, who's going to take it apart. Some cars, like some cars, we take the handles off. Obviously, I don't think they can on here, but I'm not positive.
Yeah.
Every car is different. Like
Yeah,
this car,
can't really get the handles off on this one. they're tucked inside.
So if you notice on these cars here, we remove this bumper, so there's no skeletal effect.
Okay.
In your case, I don't think we wouldn't have to remove it because of the type of bumper that is.
Where do I give these keys to? Here's the man. What's that?
This is your new color.
It's a shade off from what I was thinking.
Just a little bit. If I gave you a good deal. It's all you car guys.
Wait, so first time you guys are doing Nardo Gray?
Yeah, it's the first time. We normally do a Storm Gray, but Nardo Gray is a...
I looked into the Storm Gray. I loved it.
Storm Gray is nice too.
Yeah. And there was another one. It was called Sea Wolf Gray or something.
I think that's a newer color.
Yeah, that one looked good too. And normally we were looking at $7,500 a wrap, but my man Chris got me approved for around $4,200. 42 or was it like 44? Somewhere right there in the ballpark. But found her, baby. Oh wow, she's looking great already.
The high gloss. See, there's a difference.
Uh-huh.
The thickness of this. Feel it. And then compared to, say, the thickness of a regular.
Oh wow. Why is it so much thicker? Like, is it the 3M, like you're saying?
No, these are all 3M.
Okay.
Because it's the high gloss. It's a
Oh,
higher,
okay,
higher
okay.
grade.
Okay.
It's more expensive, but you got to really. You like that because it was on special. Unusual special.
Nardo Gray was on special? Oh,
So
okay.
that's why I recommend if we can get it to use it. Yeah. The art department will have to say you bring your vehicle in. We'll create a design. We have an art department will create a design. Then we'll print it out to show you once before we go to print to match colors, and then we'll set up this wrap.
You heard it here. You guys are looking to display your business. He's got you. I'm gonna get out of here so Chris can do his thing. I'm taking up space. He needs the space so he can get to work right now. Okay, yeah, let's go say hi. And if you have any customers that are looking for vehicles, I'd be more than willing to help you guys in any way. Give them good discounts, deals, or anything. Yeah. I do financing. We do cash.
Congrats.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you both.
All right, enjoy the day. Thank you.
Right. It should be easy going back.
Yeah, it should be. Thank you, Chris. Me and Rosa got to make a pit stop and refuel. Our choice of spot, Burger 3000. Oh yeah, baby. Where you're gonna get the best Australian halal Wagyu smash burgers. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, go ahead and like and subscribe. Peace.
What did you get?
Double Wagyu smash. Oh yeah.